Wow, this is a pretty nice dorm. It better have a laundry room. I'm lucky it has a stackable washer and dryer. But in the event that your dorm or your hotel room doesn't have a washer and dryer, I have you covered with the LAIREG small portable washing machine. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you the LAIREG small portable washing machine. Everything is unboxed. Very simple instructions right here. And this must be the washer turntable unit. And I opted for the beautiful green color. And this is the plastic cover. There is the AC adapter. And this is the unit in itself, guys. Very cute. So this is in its collapsed state, all right? On the bottom, you see suction cups to keep it in place. And let's take a look at the power numbers and safety tips right there, okay? And here is the drainage plug, all right? And here is the hose where you connect the drainage plug where you can empty out the dirty water when you're done washing. So in this collapsed state, measures 11.5 by 11.5 inches and 5 inches. So let me go ahead and uncollapse it and show you what it's all about. All you have to do, see, pull it up. See that? Now this is its full capacity. So we went from 5 inches folded state to 11 inches. So you can wash quite a bit of clothes right here. Very nice handle too. Such an elegant design. And there is of course, the CPU component. This washing machine is so lightweight. It only weighs 3.59 pounds. It has a large capacity of 6.5 liters. All right, it's time to put it to good use. What am I washing today? Well, I have a dirty pair of Tommy Hilfiger underwear, a pair of socks, gym t-shirt, and gym shorts. Okay, so all you have to do is pop open the lid. Before we fill up water, make sure you plug up this hole, okay? Because this is the drainage hole, which we'll be using later to remove the water, okay? Now I'm gonna throw in my clothes. All right. And I don't know about you, but I tend to like washing my clothes slightly lukewarm water, so I'm just gonna simply lukewarm. Yeah, I'm gonna fill it to right under this line right here. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna plug in the power supply. Make sure you're washing it located near a power supply. All right, or you can get a surge protector extension cord. All right, that's powered on right now. That's the touch panel, and make sure that's the suction cup holds it in place. All right, now let's go ahead and put the detergent, just a little bit because I just have a little bit of clothes. I think that's a good amount right there. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is hold this down for 3 seconds is to turn on and off. Okay, now each selection you can do quick wash 1 minute, 10 minute, or 5 minutes. I'm gonna do the 10-minute. See how it periodically washes counterclockwise and clockwise? Looks like I didn't put enough detergent. Yeah. All right, 10 minutes is up. Let's see how it turned out. Hey, it smells clean, but we're not done yet. That's with all laundry machines. It has to go for a rinse cycle, right? So let's go ahead and pour out the dirty water and replace it with brand new water and give it a rinse cycle. So there are two ways to empty out the water. If you want to do a traditional way with the manpower, make sure you pour it out through the drainage hose right here. Okay, we can pour it like this, or if you don't have the strength, you can empty it out using the provided hose or something like this, which I'm going to show you now. All right, so what you're going to do is pull out the tab and stick the tight end through here. Okay, in case you don't have something like a bathtub to drain it in, this is how you drain it. Okay. Looking at the quality of the water, look how dirty that is. So that definitely did its job. All right, I replugged the hose. I'm gonna give it a lukewarm rinse again. Go to the line. For the rinse cycle, I'm gonna also do 10 minutes. All right, do I drain the water once again? Looks like the water seems to have improved upon the rinse. So the next step is to rain dry the clothes, all right? But don't worry, this is where we will use this for the next step. This is the dehydration basket, okay? So you can extend it up. If you have a lot of clothes, which I did, you can fold it down. And to use the dehydration process, lift up on the basket. Yes, we have quite a bit of clothes. And I'm gonna line it up to the motor. Okay, line that up. So basically what I'm gonna do is put my clothes in there. Since I do have quite a bit, because it's meant to be designed to fill this basket, so I'm just gonna put these two in here, okay? And then I'm gonna run this for 5 minutes. See? So as you can clearly see, it's using centrifugal force physics to rain dry the clothes. See the water collecting on the walls? That's done. Let's see how dry it is. Hey, wow. See? I can probably try to hang it up now. So I had to take out the shirt because with the centrifugal force, it was just too much for it to handle. So probably you can get away with like one item and some underwear and socks, okay? So let's go and hang this up to dry. Thank goodness I have a skylight in this bathroom. Now I can dry my clothes faster. So as you can see, this portable hand washing machine is quite handy and useful. Can you just imagine if you are going on vacation on a business trip or in an RV? Imagine the hotel and Airbnb, they don't have a washing machine, or if they have one and they charge ridiculous prices. Now you can simply compact this, put it in your luggage, and take it with you anywhere on the go, making this the ideal small portable hand washing machine for all of your washing needs. And it uses a low energy capacity of 0.05 kilowatts per hour, and it's got pretty strong 36-watt motor. What better way to clean your clothes on the go than with the LAIREG portable washing machine?